Mission Bell is a company that was formed by a man who had 4 sons, and over 55 years that's been the soul of the company. I joined it because I felt it was a family business, much larger than the normal family business, but nevertheless it was there, the soul was there.
We don't manufacture a product and have a catalog that we sell from. We build what architects dream up and put on paper. Every project is unique because of that.
Mission Bell has been in Santa Clara County for its entire history. We really see ourselves in the midst of a significant evolution from being a wood millworking firm that uses technology to really seeing ourselves as a technology firm that happens to work with wood. We're located in a center of technology right at the south end of the Silicon Valley. We have a customer base which is very technology savvy and yet really cares about the environment. Mission Bell is uniquely positioned to satisfy both of those desires of our clients because we have a growing expertise in the area of reclaimed wood and how to take repurposed materials that have a tremendous history and interest, then apply those in a way that's responsive to the look that the architect and the client are trying to achieve.
You know, to have a mill worker who comes to the table with that technology and that knowledge, it adds a lot of value and it really helps the design team complete the process more efficiently.
I worked with Mission Bell on the DPR San Francisco office, and we knew the look that we wanted, so Mission Bell was able to do a mock-up for us, and that just put everyone at ease because it was spot on what we were imagining.
We have some of the finest craftsmen in the business who are able to do work which is of exceptional quality, but they can do it quickly and efficiently.
I've been machining for quite a few years, and I kind of look at it as creating a puzzle. You know, I machine the holes and everything that fits together to pass on to the next guy, and just to see it built and come out correct, I just take pride in that.
As a Mission Bell employee, I've had the chance to work with folks that have been here 20 and 30 years. They're regarded as the most skilled people in this particular field. They have put the company in a position of quite honestly being the best, because they're the best at what they do. It's not a matter of just being the biggest. I think we're the best, and it's because of the people that work here.